subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has finally launched its new mid-range 5G phone under V series in India called Vivo V20 Pro. And at first, it was launched for Thailand market in September this year. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo V20 Pro 5G features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. As per the camera, the Vivo V20 Pro 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.89 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has a dual 44 plus 8MP selfie camera under the white notch at the top center. And both the front and rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with FunTouch OS 11 skin on top. And it houses a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that maintains the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.82 by 74.20 by 7.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 170 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo V20 Pro 5G has been priced in India at 29,990 Indian rupees. And the phone is now available for purchase in the country in Midnight Jazz and Sunset Melody color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V20 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.